Hey there, leaders and aspiring managers. Today we're diving into something most of us find incredibly uncomfortable: silence. Yeah, I'm talking about those awkward pauses in conversations that make us want to fill the air with words, nervous laughter, or random commentary. But what if I told you that silence is actually a superpower in management? Silence isn't empty space. It's powerful communication. When you learn to embrace quiet moments, you unlock three incredible skills. First skill, active listening. Silence gives your team members room to express themselves fully. When you stop talking, you start hearing. Those extra seconds after someone speaks, that's where the real insights emerge. People will share more, dig deeper, and reveal thoughts they might have otherwise kept hidden. Second skill, emotional intelligence. Silence is a mirror. It reflects back emotions, tensions, and unspoken dynamics. By staying quiet, you create a safe space for your team to process, reflect, and honestly communicate. It's like giving them emotional breathing room. Third skill, leadership presence. Counterintuitive as it sounds, staying silent demonstrates confidence. When you're not rushing to fill every moment, you show you're comfortable, secure, and really processing information. Let me share a quick strategy. Next time you're in a meeting or one-on-one, try this. Ask a question. Wait. Count to 5 in your head. Resist the urge to speak. Those 5 seconds might feel like an eternity, but trust me, magic happens in that space. Let's explore some real-world situations where strategic silence can transform your management style. Performance reviews. When discussing areas for improvement, pause after delivering feedback. This gives your team member time to process and respond thoughtfully rather than defensively. Conflict resolution. In heated discussions, your silence can act as a circuit breaker, allowing tensions to dissipate naturally. It's amazing how often people will find common ground when given space to reflect. Innovation meetings. After brainstorming sessions, let ideas hang in the air. Those moments of collective contemplation often spark the most creative solutions. But here's the thing. Mastering silence isn't just about keeping quiet. It's about being intentionally present. Your body language should show you're engaged. Maintain eye contact, nod occasionally, and keep an open posture. Feeling uncomfortable with silence is natural. Our brains are wired to interpret it as a problem that needs fixing. Here's how to rewire that response. 1. Start with short pauses and gradually extend them. 2. Practice mindful breathing during silent moments. 3. Focus on the speaker's facial expressions and body language. 4. Remember that your silence creates value for others. Practice makes perfect. Start small. Maybe in your next team meeting, intentionally pause after someone speaks. Notice what happens. You'll be amazed how much more deeply people will engage when they know you're truly listening. Remember, great leadership isn't about having all the answers. It's about creating space for others to find theirs. When you master the art of silence, you're not just becoming a better communicator, you're becoming a more impactful leader. If you found these insights valuable, smash that like button and subscribe to the GEM channel for more game-changing management strategies. Share this video with other leaders who could benefit from mastering the power of silence. Together, let's transform workplace communication, one powerful pause at a time.